gorgeous. How are you guys? We're coming back as fast as we can. It's very rough. Everybody's got a tight schedule. But today, by popular demand and a whole slew of requests, we're going to make stuffed artichokes. So stay tuned. Okay, how we're going to make our artichokes is we got chicken stock, fresh garlic, salt, olive oil, fresh ground pepper, and parsley. That's all it's gonna take to make the best artichokes you ever had. Now we're preparing the artichokes. We're gonna cut the tips off and the stems we're gonna trim and put in the pot because that's actually the artichoke heart and the stem. Parsley, garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil, and chicken broth. That's the main ingredient that's gonna make them taste dynamite. Just give them a little rinse, let them soak 2 seconds. And while that's soaking, we're going to show you all the ingredients that's next. I'm going to clean the stems because that's like the filet mignon of an artichoke, believe it or not. This whole thing is the artichoke heart. Only in a stem. You capisci? Capisci, paesano? With the Sicilian emblem, flag, and the Sicilian outline. Ain't that fair from Sicily? Great. Thank you, Anita and Sharon. I love you. We're just gonna dump the water that we rinsed these in. All the water. Well, you can keep some in there. It's not gonna harm anything. Because there's nothing like Brooklyn water anyway. The stems, put them all on the sides. See? Nice and green. Beautiful. Let that top a little bit before I put the garlic, otherwise it'll be too mincy. See? Perfect. Nice, see? Gorgeous! Beautiful. Look. Ah, beautiful. Now what I like to do is I put the salt first, which is gonna say there's a lot, but it's not. Salt. That's a lot of salt, right? No, it's not. A black pepper. Olive oil. I put all this stuff before I put the parsley. Ah, don't forget the COLAVITA extra virgin olive oil. Mamma mia, che bella. And then we put the parsley. This is for my two Lindas too. They love this, two Lindas. That's Linda with an I, Linda with a Y. And for my Corinne Chu over there, my Y walking pal. Corinne, this is for you too, baby. Miss Gentile too over there at the Butcher Connie. This one's for you too, Miss Gentile. That's all you need, baby. With the
chicken stock?
Chicken stock. I lost my mind there for a second. of the parsley and garlic that was in our little food processor. Clean. Da, 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 da. Recycle. Recycle. And there you go. Ah, yes it is. High flame. And we'll see you in about 2 hours. They're gonna be the perfect artichokes ever. And we're ready. Look how beautiful. All ready for action. Ah. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. There you go. Buon appetito. We'll see you really soon. Thank you for coming to visit us again. Ciao, ciao. There you go. Gorgeous. That's the baby you need. Now that's the baby you need. See? A nice little paring knife. Made in China. Buy it now before it goes up from the tariff.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore.